Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Vikas, Pranavi, and Shruti for joining in. And I am absolutely, I would say, delighted to start with this, amazing book. Um, Before we go ahead, before starting this journey, the power of intention, jo Dr. Wayne Dyer has written, he says that it is normally so it as I was reading a few reviews about this book, I was looking around for the summaries and everything so that I know a little about this book. Hello Mamta, thank you for joining in. And uh, this book, this is not just a book, I would say it is an experience. It is about shifting how we think, how we feel, and how we live. Before we get into the book, I want to ask you, कि what does the word intention means to you? Uh, थोड़े से ही लोग हैं तो you can unmute yourself and share your perspective on this, and then I'll share what does the author has to share on that. Let's start from Vikas. Vikas, what do you think? What is intention? What does intention means to you?
इंटेंशन इज द फेंट डिजायर मतलब और इसको जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं नियति नियति इट इज लाइक ए सीड सो द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ एवरी एक्शन इज द इंटेंशन with what intention you are performing an act
Hmm.
like just as we say that the means to achieve an end, so intention is the means through which you take an action.
Hmm.
So yes, if you do not have, if you are not intentional about being intentional, then your path will go haywire and you will not know where you're leading to, where you are going, right? So it is very important, and as we say that growth is intentional, so
Hmm.
we have to set the intention even before we take the action.
Yes.
So yes, it's like the starting point.
I absolutely agree with what you're saying, because when I was designing the affirmations deck, the first thing that came to me was even before I asked people to do an affirmation, I would rather tell them to set an intention. इसीलिए उसकी first line जो है, that is an intention, and then later comes the affirmation. That's a very beautiful point that you have shared. Let's hear it from Mamta. Mamta, what is intentions to you?
I guess when we plan to do something and our inner voice tells us to do that particular thing or to achieve that particular thing, and we are very much clear about that thing that yes, this is exactly what we want. The inner
Hmm.
voice, basically, which keeps telling you to do
Hmm.
some particular thing. That is, I guess, the intention.
Beautiful. Nice. Thank you for sharing that. And let's hear it from Shruti. Shruti, can you unmute yourself and share what is intention to you?
Intention, without intention, we cannot decide anything.
Hmm. I agree with that as well.
Then, positively, if we have thoughts and go for any decision, it gives result as a very good thing. Negative intention leads to negative behavior, and then we will regret for the decision made.
Very well said. Thank you for sharing this. Yes,
Well,
Mamta, what would you like to share?
I want to add one thing. According to me, like if we are clearly, we are very much clear about the intention of one particular thing, which we, as a goal, if we have taken, or anything we want to do, and we are very much clear about it. So, in that scenario, there is no doubt that we will not complete it. If only if our intention is clear. So, by hook or by crook, irrespective of whatever the situation is, we finish that task.
Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. And Pranavi, can you unmute yourself or you're still traveling?
Yeah, I can go ahead, Karishma. Actually, according to me, intention is nothing but actually our brains are capricious. It keeps on working in all the directions. So you need to set a particular direction to your brain. So you need to set a proper plan, proper aim, or proper purpose. So when you take that as a proper plan or a purpose, then we can utilize our brain's potential to the maximum, and we can fulfill our purpose.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that.
Yeah, thank you.
Basically, it is the faint desire why you are doing what you are doing.
All
Means
right.
it is not loud, but at the subconscious level, you have this, whatever you are doing, you have something in your mind because of which you are doing. So intention is the prime mover of your action in a direction that of your desire, basically.
Wow. Mamta, do you want to share something more?
I think in one of our sessions, I heard it like I think I've already spoken about it earlier also that during our childhood, when we were clear about, we have to go and give the exam. So, right, our intention was clear that yes, we have to appear for the exam. So, irrespective, whatever the situation comes in front of us, whether we are sick, there is any kind of traffic jam or whatever the thing is, we go and we appear for the exam. So, that this example tells us that when our intention is clear, again, irrespective of the circumstances and situations, we usually complete that particular thing. So that is all.
All right. So we have another guest, Dr. Mahesh. Dr. Mahesh, we are starting off with a new book today. So the first question that I have asked everybody here is, what do you think is intention? Would you like to, unmute yourself and share with us your perspective about intention? What is intention to you? All right. हमको लगता है, we think of intention as setting a goal and working hard to achieve it. Do you agree with it? कि क्या हमारे को यही लगता है कि हमारे को एक इंटेंशन सेट करनी है, उसका मतलब है कि हमारे को एक गोल सेट करना है और हमारे को वी हैव टू वर्क हार्ड टुवर्ड्स इट टू अचीव इट. Do you agree with it or not?
Sorry, come again. Like without intention. Sorry.
So I am saying we feel that we often think that intention is setting goals and working hard towards achieving it.
Yeah, true.
Okay. What about others? Yes, no, maybe, pata nahi.
Not sure.
Can you repeat the question, Karishma?
We think of intention as setting a goal and working hard to achieve it. Hi, Archana. Thank you for joining in.
Yes, it's correct.
Hey, hi, Archana.
So Dr. Mahesh says no goal should be precise. Okay. चलो, let me share with you. छोड़ो इतनी puzzle क्या करनी है. Dr. Wayne Dyer challenges this idea. He says that intention is not just something we do. It is an energy that exists in the universe. हमको ये समझ में आ रहा है कि इंटेंशन क्या है, हम जब इंटेंशन सेट करते हैं तो क्या होता है, बट द वर्ड इज दैट इट इज एन एनर्जी. ठीक है, इंटेंशन एक एनर्जी है. जब हम कहते हैं कि मैंने एफर्मेशन इस डेक में जब मैंने कहा कि पहले इंटेंशन सेट करो, तो व्हाट वी मीन टू से इज know what is the energy with which I'm going to operate the entire day, right? So intention जो होती है, it is basically, it is an energy that exists in the universe, and when we align with that energy,
Alignment is important.
when we align with it, things start happening for us instead of us struggling against life. This is what we are going to study through this book. And before, I explain about this book, आप खुद अपनी लाइफ में सोचो कि has this ever happened? Something like this has ever happened in your life where things just fell into your lap effortlessly. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कोई राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी आई हो सकती है, कोई राइट पर्सन मिला हो सकता है, कोई राइट मूवमेंट हुई हो सकती है आपकी लाइफ में. For me, when I was thinking about this, I was like, yeah, Rise and Shine Summit was something that just fell into my lap and I just attended it. I just went for it. Now, if you have any such things that you can share, I would love for you to share by unmuting yourself. Mahesh C says that yes, many times. Let's start with Vikas. Vikas, would you like to share if anything like that has ever happened in your life? You're on mute.
Yes, there have been numerous instances in my life. See, intention को हिंदी में भाव भी बुलाता है. भाव, किस भाव से आप काम कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो बोलते हैं ना, अगर आपका इंटेंशन प्योर है तो आपको डिवाइन कॉपरेशन मिलता है. हाँ, तो द यूनिवर्स सपोर्ट्स यू इन ऑल योर इंडेवर, राइट? सो कई बार मेरे को ऐसा लगा है कि आई एम इन ए मेस, राइट? थिंग्स आर फॉलिंग अपार्ट. I don't know where it will lead to, how I will find the solution. और देख करके लग रहा है कि piece by piece everything is aligning and I am able to हमको भी पता नहीं how the puzzle is being solved. Everything starts falling in place one by one, aligning और effortlessly हो जाता है. तो yes, intention more than the action. We in today's times, action has been overemphasized, but it is the intention behind the action that is even more important, right? With the right intention, you will get the cooperation of the universe. And when you take the action thinking that I am doing something about it, then your effort will be limited to your physical intelligence and your physical thing, right? So if you want the cooperation of the universe, then you have to be with the intent, with this purity of the heart, I should say.
It has to be a win-win situation for
Yes.
everybody.
Yes.
How they say, अगर नियति खराब होगी
हाँ.
इंसान की तो वो काम बिगड़ना ही है. It is not going to be fruitful for anybody. If you ask for somebody's failure, it is going to come onto you as well. If you think of somebody to win and you choose actions as per somebody else's win as well as yourself, it is going to happen that way. हमने पावर ऑफ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में भी ये चीज पढ़ी थी कि हाउ यूनिवर्स ऑलवेज बैलेंसेस थिंग्स. व्हेन यू आस्क फॉर गुड, गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी में भी लिखा है सरबत का भला मांगो. क्यों? क्योंकि जब आप किसी और का भला मांगोगे आपका भी भला होगा, राइट? तो राइट इंटेंशन, पॉजिटिव इंटेंशन इज अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल कंसेप्ट जो हमारे को सीखना चाहिए. एंड इफ दैट I also feel yes, the energy that it is talking about is more of कि हमारे को पॉजिटिविटी के अंदर रहने से जो इफेक्ट्स आएंगे that will be much better than नेगेटिविटी. तो खुद को भी नेगेटिव उसके अंदर ही हम लेके जाएंगे, राइट? हाँ जी, यस महेश सर, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर?
देखिए, मेरे पास में एक छोटा सा इश्यू था कि 6,000 square foot of somebody else plot is written on my name as a goodwill, and somebody third person occupied it.
Okay.
I never bothered for 4 years.
Hmm.
Then when I bothered it, I told, let us clean it up. I went, simply seen everything, prayed the Almighty, and I solved it in matter of 4 days.
Wow.
Nothing bigger than that, because it is somebody else's property. It's not my property. I had given it on my name. It's okay. I don't need it. I want to give it back to them.
Hmm.
But I want to give it back to them as non-encroached place.
Hmm.
If somebody had encroached because of my negligence, so I want to clear it up. The thing so happened that entire town was surprised how this fellow could remove the encroachment without a fuss within the minutes.
Yes, that's amazing.
And I have not paid much also. I paid only 30,000 rupees.
Wow.
That's all.
What a beautiful share. Wonderful.
6,100 square foot of land in center of a place, tourist place, which values about 70, 80 lakhs rupees.
Hmm.
I vacated it with 30,000 rupees.
Hmm.
Nothing. Simply universe had given me that force, right connections, right people, right talk, right energy. And I
When the
finished it.
intention is pure, the things are work.
No tension at all. My intention was clear.
Yes, that's what.
My intention was very clear. That is somebody else's land. It is my duty when he is keeping it under my protection. And that fellow is no more also. I want to give it to their family.
Wonderful. Thank you for sharing that.
It was really wonderful thing. Wonderful experience I had 2 months back.
Wow. Amazing. So glad that you're in this room and you could share this with us. Let's hear it from Mamta.
I have experienced this thing multiple times, and I truly believe that if your intentions are clear, so the universe will bless you by all the means, from all the sides, in all the ways, with the right people at the right place at the right time. Matlab, you will get each and everything. But yes, certainly, it is not necessary that every time your wishes get fulfilled. In that scenario, you need to surrender and let go the things. But whatever will comes into your way, it is always like better for you.
Wow. Absolutely phenomenal.
This is one of my affirmation also, which I always write, that universe is blessing me from all the ways, by all the means, from all the sides. I always mention it every time.
Wow. Beautiful. Thank you for sharing that. Okay, let's hear it from Shruti. श्रुति गई सोने. अभी
हाँ.
जो कैमरा ऑन करेगा मैं उससे लूंगी शेयर.
Yesterday I went and participated in my community's match, carom board, and actually I went late, but my intention was good participation and do my best. I didn't go finish the carom board, but throw ball match we won the tournament.
Wow.
Pure intention, team spirit.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful. All right, let's go to Archana.
थोड़ा आवाज कम निकल रही है. So yes, universe definitely blesses you if your intentions are great, your pure intentions. So I still remember when I launched myself as a healer. So I was about to give the free session, and that free session was totally free. Like, intentionally it is free only. But when I delivered that session, I got paid for my free session as well, which I had never thought of. Not only that, people gave me double the amount. And it was like, I was like, ki kaise? So they said, ki, no, they were so powerful that we don't even want to take it in free. We just want to give you something as an energy exchange. Please accept it. And everyone gave me something or the other. And I was like, okay, aisa bhi hota hai.
The abundance starts flowing the moment your intention is right and the people in your
Yes.
recognize.
I was not intended that time, because I had to give that free session. It was a free first free webinar, and it turned out to be a paid one.
Beautiful. And I still remember those moments of joy for you as well. Wonderful.
Yes.
And
Yes.
let's hear it from you, Pranavi.
Yeah, a lot of miracles happened with this intentions, and so many things have come forward, Karishma. And seriously, I don't have. I mean, I just can't recall. I mean, so many things I'm blessed with. So, yeah, grateful to God. And yes, intentions are powerful and it works also.
Thank you for sharing that. I understand that there are times जब एकदम से उस time पे you don't remember. But yes, we will be ready to listen to your share whenever you remember any of those
Sure,
instances.
sure. Yeah.
All right, let's go to Anita. Anita, would you like to share? Anita, सो रहे हो कि उठ गए हो? All right, I think she's unable to unmute herself. All right, अब बात करते हैं डॉक्टर डेयर क्या बोलते हैं. He explains that the movements like these happen when we are aligned with the energy of the intentions. Instead of chasing and forcing things, we can tap into universal flow where the right things come at the right time. Just like each one of you, shared कि हाँ अचानक से बस right thing just happened, right time tha, right thing thi. It was a divine timing. It was all a blissful maybe an experience, right? Let me read out to you what is this book going to help us with. This book is going to help us with, shifting from struggle to ease. It is going to help us understand the 7 phases of intention, like creativity, kindness, and abundance. It will help us to learn how to attract what we desire instead of constantly pushing for it. And it is also going to help us trust that universe is working for us, not against us. Does that excite you? How many of you think that it challenges how we usually think about goals and success? It's going to be a flow that we are going to learn from this book, right? And I want you to take a moment to visualize something. I would love for each one of you to, close your eyes and close your eyes. Close your eyes and imagine it's 6 months from now. And you have completely aligned with the power of intention. Things are flowing. You feel at peace. And you're attracting exactly what you need. Be there. Imagine all of it. How is it going to be? And once you have done that, I would love for you to write down 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know how many personal intentions for yourself. These are not going to be goals. For example, कहीं आप बोलो कि I want to earn X amount of money in X इतने time में. नहीं. Go a little deeper. For example, when I thought of this activity, I wrote for myself that I intend to bring more joy, more love, more kindness into my intentions, into my life. आप क्या intention रख रहे हो? I want you to write it in your pen, in your book. Once you have done, give me a done in the chat or maybe a raise of hand. Archana is done. Vikas, Shruti, Maheshji, Pranavi, Anita. Pranavi is traveling, so that's okay. Vikas is done. Anyone who would like to share what are their intentions? For the next 6 months. किसी को share करना है?
I want to bring more joy and lots of healings to my community,
Wow.
transforming their lives.
Beautiful. So sweet.
Thank you.
पहले तो अपने आप को हील करो, अपनी तबीयत ठीक करो.
दिन से यही हो रहा है, पर ये ना जुकाम ने आफत ली है.
It's okay. It's okay. It shall, the time shall, this too shall pass. All right,
Yes.
Maheshji, you want to share?
Yeah. Few years back, I was, means my, what I can say, the Guruji made me to go to Samadhi, and I was there for 4 hours. I don't know what was the Samadhi. I don't have any spiritual background or nothing. Only first day I went and seen him, and he sent me to Samadhi. And after that, I realized that I got some powers to heal the people just by talking. And later on, I vanished that power. I might have treated some few migraine people, cervical problem people, some backache and other things just by making them sit in one corner of my house or clinic and praying the Almighty to heal them. That's all. And they got all right. And they are all right even today. But in due course of time, I found that I lost that power. I don't know why and how. I tried a lot. I'm trying a lot to achieve it back. Nothing is happening. So I wish that I should get that power to heal the pains of a people. And number two, I can empower few people. And I should be in a position to get back to that stage again. That's all. That's all. I have another goals also. I want to make a Quantum Leap complete by December before starting anything new.
But
My
we
goal
are
is
not
only one thing.
talking about the goals here. We are talking
No,
just
yeah,
about the intention. So
I
I'm
know.
good. We are
I
good
know.
to go with,
I know.
this thing. That is a very beautiful intention that you are setting for yourself. All
Thank you.
right. Anybody else wants to share? Vikas, Shruti, Anita, Mamta, Pranavi. Mamta ने unmute किया था ना? Mamta, let's hear it from you.
I can say one thing. I've already set the intentions in the morning on the day when the journal which I have received in Rise and Official Group, and I've already started working on it.
Wow, beautiful, amazing. There is a beautiful transformation that you're going to see in yourself through that journal. It is very
And all the credit
scientifically designed.
and the credit goes to Vikas sir also.
So of course. Thanks, Vikas.
थैंक यू. किस लिए वैसे क्रेडिट मेरे को समझ में आया नहीं.
So because like after our Saturday con call, after that I have already shared with you that I have done my one video, and the second step for the reading part also I have taken today. And there is one more thing which I have started today, but let me continue it for more few days, then I'll get back to you.
Mamta, I have been observing for you for quite some time. I see a shift in your energy altogether. So you are fully focused, you are highly aligned, and there is no looking back. I can see that.
So happy for you, Mamta. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, Vikas, would you like to share what is your intention for next 6 months?
My intention is to be in my best energy, in connection with myself, so that I can help people realize their true power, so that they can step into their next bigger version of themselves.
Wonderful. Beautiful. And Shruti, do you want to share? Shruti has given us in the chat happiness with money energy, more kindness, peace of mind. Amazing. Sharp, crisp. Do you want to say something, Shruti?
Yeah, I want to be with lots of peace of mind, and I want to be kind with my aged parents, more kind with true self. Then I want to earn lot of money that gives me satisfaction.
All right. Wonderful. Pranavi, would you like to share?
I need some time, Karishma. You just go ahead.
That's okay. And Anita, are you there with us? All right. So moving forward, how are we going to move forward? So there is, I think that despite of reading the books one after the other, I still see few gaps. Okay? In the book reading club, which we are going to try to, fix through this system. So we are going to go chapter by chapter approach. Some chapters are short and some chapters are a little longer. So we are going to, for the ones that are longer, we will pause in between in the midway for the deeper discussions. Okay? That is the first thing that is already happening here. Then second is actionable implementation. After every session, we will take some small steps to apply what we have learned. I have seen that we do discuss what we are doing, what is it that we can learn from there, but I don't know if we are actually implementing it or not. Because I started the book reading club thinking it is not going to be only about reading, but it is going to be about transformation as well. So each time, you feel that you have read something with me in the book reading club and you see yourself working on it. And when you see कि हाँ आपने वो जो पढ़ा था उसमें जो shift आया, you have caught that message and you have implemented in your life, I would love for you to share it in the chats. ठीक है? Number 3 is group takeaways. मैं हर बार बोलती हूँ, हर सेशन से निकलते हुए बोलती हूँ that at the end of each session, you should share the key takeaways, key insights in the group. ऐसे दो चीजें होने वाली हैं. फर्स्ट, आपकी रिविजन होगी, एंड सेकेंड, इफ समवन मिसेस द सेशन, they will get some benefit out of it. Right? I'm going to gamify it as well. For the people who are consistent, there will be some special gifts for them. And maybe Abhi, this is not final from my end, but this is an idea that has occurred to me. That is, towards the end of each book, we are going to have a quiz, and whosoever scores the maximum is also going to get some kind of a gift. Maybe the next month ka jo wo hoga, the energy exchange will be waived off or something around that. That will be not like a small asset time. I mean, chalo tumse ek one-on-one session karte hain and all. No, but it will be something bigger. So why I am doing this? So that there is a consistency that people start showing up in this session, and so Thaki, actual massive shift starts coming. There is a mentor who in her Insta live was mentioning ki if you cannot afford, very expensive courses, it's the best way to grow is by reading books. And I started this initiative with that intent as well कि अगर किसी कोई नहीं कर पा रहा है तो it is good that if we can discuss, talk and take bigger leaps. So I want that to happen. How many of you feel that this structure sounds interesting? Do you have any more suggestions that you can give me that I can include here? That gives you more value, that gives you more insights. What more I can do is I can share the summary of whatever we have read in the chat as well for you guys. But aana padega. That is the only, commitment that I'm asking for.
I would like to prepare for the quiz. Daily or weekly, we'll have the quiz from the book questions. They have to answer.
That is what I'm going to give. I'm
A,
going to
B,
give you
C, D
reflective questions
option
every
or
day.
A, B, C, D option or fill in the blanks.
अच्छा, fill in the
Choose
blanks
the
वगैरह
correct
इतना काम
answer.
नहीं करने वाली हूँ मैं. I'll give you prompts. I'll give you
Sorry?
prompts. I will give you prompts
Okay.
for your own reflection. What have you learned through the book? Because it is you who needs to, grow from it. मैं जो
Yeah.
अपने पे करूंगी, that will be my thing. Your growth will be yours, right?
Right. The quiz will be interesting.
The quiz will be the MCQ kind of a quiz. That I'll make sure. Don't worry about me. Pehले you start coming. All right. I would also love for each one of you, if you love what you see in this, what you experience in this room, I would love for you to invite your friends as well in the room. Because the first 5 days of any book that I host is always free for all. From Monday, there is an energy exchange that you need to do to continue reading with me. But at least 5 days, जो at least एक हफ्ता है, Friday तक, bring in your friends, your colleagues, I don't know, whosoever you can bring in, so that they can also get some, this thing, value out of this. ठीक है? And that's it. Before our next session, I want to give you a homework. The next session, that is like 24 hours from now, that is kal raat ko 10 baje, I want you to observe how intentions are already working in your life. I want to tell you that I never thought that intentions work that beautifully. I was standing in the kitchen one day and I was saying, जिस तरीके से मैं इन लोगों की इंतजार कर रही हूँ ना, एक दिन ये लोग मेरी इंतजार करें. And that happens now. Without putting much effort in that intention, it got manifested. तो अगर हम इंटेंट के साथ इंटेंशन सेट करेंगे तो हाउ ब्यूटिफुली इट्स गोइंग टू मैनिफेस्ट, जस्ट इमेजिन. ठीक है? तो नाउ आई वांट यू टू पे अटेंशन फॉर नेक्स्ट 24 आवर्स, जहाँ पे आई वांट यू टू ऑब्जर्व कि आर देयर एनी मोमेंट्स वेयर थिंग्स सीम टू अलाइन effortlessly, where something flows without any struggle. If you notice something, I would love for you to, put it in the chat as well in the group. वो इसलिए कि कहीं आप कल तक आने तक भूल ना जाओ. ठीक है? All right. Thank you for joining in today's session, and thank you for coming in with the beautiful energy and all the insights that each one of you have brought in today as well. And tomorrow we will begin reading the book. Keep your intentions in your mind and let's start aligning with, our intentions and work accordingly. And हो सकता है कि book जो हम पढ़ रहे होंगे, there will be so many new insights which you can attach to those concepts so that it starts, favoring you. All right. On that note, anybody wants to share any last words, or else we will wrap? कुछ नहीं बोलना?
All the best. All the best. Good
Thank
night.
you.
I set the intention that कि जो हम लोग जो है इस बुक को पढ़ करके जो कुछ भी काफी मैसिव चेंजेस आने शुरू हो जाए हमारे में.
Wow. Yes. सबकी ग्रोथ हो,
सबकी
सब
growth.
एक नेक्स्ट लेवल को अचीव करें. Wouldn't that be so beautiful?
बोलते हैं ना, व्हाट इज यू सीक इज व्हाट यू फाइंड.
Yes.
तो हम लोग है कि हर रोज एक चीज सीखना है, एक चीज, एक टेक अवे, मेजर टेक अवे रहना चाहिए. वन, ओनली वन
But
पर
the
डे.
most important part of it is as well कि we stick to it as well. There are times when we learn something new and the older things just go by. वो बचपन में बोलते थे ना, आगे दौड़ पीछा छोड़, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. We have to hold on to all the learnings. And how is that going to happen? When you write it somewhere, when you write it in the group, when you share it with somebody else, when you put it in your Instagram stories, I don't know what. क्योंकि जरूरी तो नहीं है ना कि हर किसी को जो आपने यहाँ पे पढ़ा है वो पता होगा. Just imagine the level of knowledge you are going to gain and you are going to give to your tribes as well. Right? So let's make sure that we to soak into that energy, because एक और बात होती है, we as coaches, when we say something, हम पढ़ रहे हैं, that is another thing. When you're writing, it's another thing. When you're sharing it with your tribe, it becomes your moral responsibility to live by it as well. Right? So let's do something bigger this time, right? That is my intention for this book, that I want to see each one of us, grow to another level, to be a bigger, better version of yourselves and myself as well, of course. On that note, thank you once again, and take good care of yourself, and see you tomorrow at 10 p.m. God bless you all.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so